Good morning, students. Let's continue our exercise 11.1 of chapter number 11, and name of the chapter is Perimeter and Area. In previous video, we have discussed about the formulas related to perimeter and area of square and rectangle, and also discussed question number 1 and 2. Today, let's continue with question number 3. In this question, the area of a square park is same as of a rectangular park. If the side of a square park is 60 meter and length of a rectangular park is 90 meter, then you have to find the breadth of rectangle. In this question, two terms are given to you. Side of a square is 60 meter. Here, side of a square is given to you 60 meter, and length of rectangle is also given to you 90 meter. One more condition is given to you. The area of a square park is same as that of a rectangular park. That means area of square park is equals to the area of rectangular park. Now we know that the formulas of area. Area of a square is side multiplied by side. We know that area of a square is side multiplied by side. And area of a rectangle is length into breadth. In this question, we have to find out the breadth. Now, side is given to you 60 meter. So, 60 multiply. We know that each side of a square is same. That is given to you 60 meter. Length is also given to you 90 meters. So, put the value of length and breadth as it is. You have to find out the value of breadth. Here 90 is the multiplier in right hand side. When it goes to the left hand side, it becomes a divisor. It becomes 60 multiplied by 60 divided by 90. That is equals to B, breadth. 0 is cancelled out with 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Here 3 is cancelled out with 60. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 0. It is 2 multiplied by 20. That is 40. Now breadth of a rectangle is 40 meter. In this way we can find out the breadth of rectangular park. Let's move to next question. In this question, it is given to you a wall of a room is of dimension 5 meter and 4 meter. That means in a room a wall is given to you. Dimensions of wall is given to you 5 meter and 4 meter. That means 5 meter is the length of the wall, 4 meter is the breadth of the wall. It has a window of dimensions 1.5 meter and 1 meter. That means on a wall it has one window. Window has length 1.5 meter and breadth 1 meter. And a door of dimensions 2.25 meter and 1 meter. That means on a wall it has a door which have dimensions. That means length of door is 2.25 meter and breadth of the door is 1 meter. You have to find out the area of the wall which is to be painted. We know that on a wall door and window are not to be painted. So how can we find the area of wall which is to be painted? We can find out area of wall minus area of window minus area of door. Here wall has dimensions 5 meter and 4 meter. That means we can find out the area. How can we find out the area of wall? We know the formula of rectangular. That is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Here length is given to you 5 meter. Breadth is given to you 4 meter. 5 fours are 20. And we know that the unit of the area is square units. Here length and breadth are given to you in terms of meters. So it is 20 meters square. In same way, we can find out the area of window. Area of window can be found out by using the formula length multiplied by breadth. Here window has length 1.5 meter and breadth 1 meter. That is equals to 1.5. And we know that the unit of the area is square units. Here length and breadth are given to you in terms of meters. So it is 1.5 meter square. Now area of door. Area of door can be found out by using the formula length into breadth. Here length of door is given to you 2.25 meter and breadth is given to you 1 meter. It is 2.25 meters square. In this way, we can find out the area of wall, area of window and area of door. Now, you have to find out the area of the wall which is to be painted. It can be find out area of the wall that you have to paint can be find out by area of the wall to be painted. Area of wall to be painted can be find out area of wall minus area of window minus area of door. In this way, we can find out the area of wall which is to be painted. Now, area of wall is 20 meters square. Area of window is 1.5 meters square. Area of door is 2.25 meters square. Now we have to check all three units are in same units meters square. So we can find out 20 minus 1.5 minus 2.5. We can solve it by using 20 minus taken out as common. It is 1.5 plus 2.25, that is equals to 20 minus 3.75. It is equals to 16.25 meters square. It is area. So area is always written in terms of square units. It is 16.25 meters square. In this way, area of wall that is to be painted is 16.25 meters square. In this way, you can solve questions related to perimeter and area. Let's move to next question. In this question, Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house on three sides with lengths 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. You have to find out the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. That means per meter cost is given to you 150. How much length of fence is required? You have to find out how much length of fence is required, and after that you have to find out the cost of total fencing. Now suppose there is a house. Suppose there is a house and there is garden in front of her house. Suppose there is a garden in front of her house. She wants to fence the three sides. 1, 2, 3. She wants to fence the three sides of her house. One length is given to you. In one side, length of fence is given to you 20 meter. On another side, length of fence is given to you 12 meter. On third side, length of fence is given to you 12 meter. So how much length of fence is required? 20 meter plus 12 meter plus 12 meter. Now length of fence required is length of fence required is sum of all three sides. Three sides are given to you 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. It is 20 plus 12 is 32, 32 plus 12 is 44 meter. Now total fence is required 44 meter and per meter cost is 150. So we can find out the cost of 44 meter. Now cost of fencing Cost of fencing 1 meter is given to you rupees 150 and cost of fencing, how much length is required? 44 meter. So you have to find out the cost of 44 meter. How can we find the 44 meter? You can multiply 150 with 44. 150 multiplied by 44 is rupees 6600. Now it is rupees 6600. Now total cost of fencing is required is 6600. First of all, you have to find out how much fence is required. Now there is garden in front of her house and she wants to fence on the three sides. Length of three sides are also given to you 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. So total length of fencing is 20 meter plus 12 meter plus 12 meter, that is 44 meter. Now cost of 1 meter is given to you rupees 150. You have to find out the cost of 44 meter. How can we find out? By multiplying. 150 multiplied by 44 is 6600. Now cost of fencing is rupees 6600. In this way you can solve questions related to perimeter and area. Thank you.